How to make a post shareable on Facebook. Making your Facebook post shareable is the key to expanding your reach and connecting with new audiences. Whether you're a brand looking to go viral, an influencer growing your presence, or just someone eager to spread an important message, setting your post to be shareable can make all the difference. The process is simple, but understanding the power behind it can transform your social media strategy. To start, think about the content you want to share. Is it engaging, valuable, or entertaining? Posts that resonate emotionally or provide useful information are far more likely to be shared. Once you've crafted your post, before hitting post, look for the privacy settings. On Facebook, you'll see an option next to the post button, often labeled as Friends, Only Me, or Public. If you want your post to be shareable beyond your current friends list, select Public. This simple change allows anyone, whether they follow you or not, to see and share your post. If you've already posted and want to make it shareable, it's just as easy. Go to the post, click on the three dots at the top right corner, and select Edit Privacy. Change the setting to Public, and now anyone can share your post with their network. But remember, making a post shareable is just the beginning. Boost engagement by asking questions, encouraging comments, and including eye-catching visuals. The more interactive your post, the higher the chance it will be shared organically. And if you want to supercharge your reach, Famety is here to help with likes, shares, and engagement across all your social media platforms. With just a few tweaks, you can turn any post into a shareable sensation and watch your audience grow like never before.